So this recipe could not be any simpler and any easier. We make this Bake Ziti every single week in our house, and I tend to make a pretty big tray of it so that we can have leftovers for the next couple of nights. But you can of course add your own ingredients and own flair to this recipe, but we keep it really, really minimal and simple because I have kind of semi-picky eaters in our house. But there is only 5 main ingredients to this recipe. You have a pound of whatever type of ground meat you want. We like to use ground turkey. I've used lean ground beef before, so it's really just preference. And then of course a box of ziti noodles, or you can use rigatoni noodles. You can even use like elbow macaroni noodles if you really wanted to. I change this up depending on whatever I have in the pantry. Then you need 1 jar of Alfredo sauce and 1 jar of just regular spaghetti sauce and a big old bag of shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna start by just browning up this ground turkey with a little bit of avocado oil that you see back there in the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start layering everything together. I'll have the full recipe down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. And then of course, like I said earlier, you can add whatever you want to this ground turkey, like some minced garlic or some onion, or if your family likes green pepper, this would be the step to where you can kind of add those extra veggies in there. We're gonna keep it simple tonight.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eyes, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue.